Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular portable washers, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft Portable Washing Machine. Both of these machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, but they have unique features that set them apart. Let's dive in and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER offers a slightly larger 1.7 cu fort space compared to the COMFEE's, which has a capacity of 1.6 CUFTs. This means that while both machines can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry, the BLACK+DECKER provides a bit more room for larger items. However, both are designed to fit comfortably in small spaces, making them ideal for apartments or RVs. Noise level is another important factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER has received some criticism for being relatively noisy during its spin cycle, which can be a concern for those living in close quarters. In contrast, the COMFEE is praised for its quiet operation, making it a more suitable choice for those who prioritize a peaceful laundry experience. Lastly, let's talk about energy efficiency. The COMFEE's is marketed as being more energy efficient compared to the BLACK+DECKER. This can lead to savings on your utility bills over time, making the COMFEE's a more attractive option for environmentally conscious consumers. Both machines have features like delay start and child lock, but the energy efficiency of the COMFEE gives it an edge in this category. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and COMFEE's portable washers have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a slightly larger capacity, the BLACK+DECKER is a solid choice. However, if you prioritize quiet operation and energy efficiency, the COMFEE's may be worth the extra investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.